And on today's video, I am going to show you how to make this hair oil, which is an anti-dandruff oil, which is natural, safe, effective, and also with lesser risks than most commercial anti-dandruffs which are currently on the market, and also this particular hair rinse that you're going to do at the end of the video. My name is Muriel. I am a content creator based in Kenya, and on this channel we do a lot of DIY hair care videos using simple and available ingredients right from your kitchen. And the very first thing that you're going to need is a clean glass jar. Make sure it is clean and also ensure that it does not contain any form of water, because water will make your oil go bad very quickly. Also, you're going to need a lid, or rather a cover, for the glass jar. And our very first ingredient is aloe vera, and aloe vera is one of the most powerful ingredients you can use on your hair, on both natural and also relaxed hair. Aloe vera is also good when it comes to protecting your hair, because it forms a protective layer on the hair which protects your hair from damage, and also it contains proteolytic enzymes which repair dead skin cells on the scalp and also conditions your hair, leaving it smooth and very shiny. Aloe vera prevents itching and also it reduces dandruffs on your hair. And another thing that is very important with aloe vera is that it is very good and very effective when it comes to restoring the pH value of your hair. And these are the main two reasons why we are using aloe vera today. And you're going to see results after only 1 week of using this particular oil that you're going to make today. So what I am going to do, I got my clean glass jar here, and I'm just going to transfer the gel into the glass jar. This is the amount that I used. I think you guys have seen. So the amount of treatment you are going to make will determine the amount of ingredients, or the ingredients that you're going to use. So this is the amount I used. You can actually use the same amount, or you can use more. And our second ingredient is moringa. Moringa is a very powerful ingredient because it contains high levels of zinc, which is very good when it comes to repairing damaged follicles, the roots, and every single hair on your head. So moringa is very powerful. It also contains vitamin C and vitamin E, which are very powerful antioxidants. And this is the reason why we are using this particular ingredient today. Also, it has very high levels of zinc, which is the biggest player when it comes to your hair health and even hair loss, for those who are suffering from hair loss. So moringa contains high levels of zinc, which is also very important when it comes to your hair health, and also just nourishing your scalp and just making sure that your hair is healthy. And using moringa also is going to help moisturize your hair, which is going to help keep away dandruffs from your scalp. So this is the amount I used. I hope it focused so well. So this is the amount I used. I just scooped 1/2 tablespoonful of the moringa powder, and I added into our jar. And this is how it looks like. You guys can see the two most powerful ingredients when it comes to treating dandruffs are in the jar. And our next ingredient is coconut oil. This is a very good carrier oil, and this is because it penetrates the hair shaft due to its low molecular weight, and also helps reduce protein loss. This can also help nourish and condition your hair, dehydrates your scalp, and also prevents dryness, which is going to reduce the chances of you having dandruff. So this is why we are using coconut oil as our carrier oil today. And you have to make sure that you are using organic coconut oil. We made this on the channel, and we keep making these oils on the channel. So please consider subscribing to this channel, because you're going to learn a lot when it comes to making your own DIY hair care videos, and you'll not regret it. So please consider subscribing to the channel. Also like the video and share these videos to anyone that you think needs this treatment. So I just poured the coconut oil into the rest of the ingredients. So this is how it looks like. And then what I'm going to do, I'm just going to get my spoon and I'm going to mix it properly. Just make sure that you mix everything in. Make sure you mix it properly So this is what I'm just doing. I'm trying to mix in everything in. And then now we are going to do our double boiler method, which we're going to boil for about 10 to 15 minutes under very, very low heat. Do not put a lot of heat. So just make sure that it is under very, very low heat. You can take a piece of cloth, put in the pan, add water, and then now you can place your jar. So after I let it cool, this is how it was looking like. You guys can see this is a very good antioxidant, especially for those who have dry scalp, for those who are suffering from dandruff. This is a very, very good and effective treatment for dandruffs, especially for those who have struggled to treat dandruffs. This is a very, very important oil for you. You guys can make this and then you can come and tell us how it worked for you. I usually use my wee cup to sieve these oils. That is what I am using. You can use just anything. Just make sure that you have something that it has something with very tiny holes, which will just ensure that the particles do not pass through the oil. And this is our oil. Look at that. Look at how it looks like. This is a very, very good treatment, guys. If you are here and you're suffering from dandruffs, please consider making these oils and you're going to see change after 1 week. That one I guarantee you. Just make sure that your hair also and your scalp is moisturized before using this particular oil. So I'm just trying to get all the oil out of the wig cap, and this is how the residue was looking like. And this oil also is going to help curb hair fall. It is going to help you stimulate, it's going to help stimulate hair growth, and also it is going to promote blood circulation on your scalp, which is going to also help with promoting hair growth, and also it is just a very good hair treatment. So what you're going to do with this oil, I am going to show you a hair rinse. You're going to shampoo your hair first, and then you're going to use this hair rinse that I'm going to do at the end of the video. So please watch the video up to the end. And then now you're going to apply this oil on your scalp at least thrice a week. Apple cider vinegar has lots and lots of benefits when it is used as a hair rinse. Number one is that it clears out product buildup, which is very important for those who have dandruffs. Also, apple cider vinegar contains natural alpha hydroxy acids, which gently exfoliates the scalp and also the hair, allowing for removed of dead skin cells. So this is why we are using this particular ingredient, the apple cider vinegar, to wash, or rather just rinse, our hair. For those experiencing scalp-related conditions such as dandruffs, apple cider vinegar can bring relief because of its antimicrobial properties. And also research has shown that it may also help stop the growth of fungus, which can be a cause of dandruff. So this is why we're using this particular ingredient today as a hair rinse. So what I did, I got my spray bottle, and I'm going to take 2 tablespoonfuls of just 2, and I'm going to add into our water. So you're going to get a glass of water, and you're going to add in 2 tablespoonfuls of the apple cider vinegar. Ensure that it has with a mother on it, and then you're going to add inside. So personally, what I do, others will just take water and then they're going to use it as a rinse, but I take this the spray bottle, and then I add in the apple cider vinegar, and then I just go in, spray into the scalp, and then give your scalp a very, very good massage. So this is how it looks like. You guys can see the color also has changed. So you're just going to use this spray on your scalp, and then you're going to give your scalp a very good massage. And after that, you're just going to rinse your hair. It is that simple. And you're going to repeat this process at least twice a week. Especially for those who have dry hair, use this twice a week. And if you have watched this video up to this point, please consider subscribing to the channel. It is a good way of just showing support to the channel. So this is the oil and this is the rinse. So first of all, you're going to wash your hair condition it, and then you're going to go in with your rinse. Make sure you rinse, and then you're going to rinse out with clean water, and then now you're going to moisturize your hair with this oil here. Don't forget to give your head a very good massage. See you on the next one.